So to see which one is proportional, we just need to see if there's a constant of proportionality. So I'm going to start with Lucas. And Lucas has 208 pages read in 8 hours. So I'm going to do 208 divided by 8. I'm going to do that on my calculator over here, separate from what you can see. And that equals 26. Now, that means that if I do 156 divided by 6 and 234 divided by 9, and they both equal 26, then this is a proportional relationship. So let's try it out. 156 divided by 6, ooh, that equals 26. But we got to remember, we got to check them all. 234 divided by 9 is also 26. So this is proportional. So I'm going to mark this one here as proportional. So let's check the other one, and I'll do this in a different color. We're going to do the same thing. So we're going to do 168 divided by 6. 168 divided by 6. That gives me 28. So that means that if I do 120 divided by 4 and 348 divided by 12, and they both equal 28, then it's a proportional relationship. Now, I can tell you, I know in my head 120 divided by 4 equals 30. You'll notice that these two right here are not the same. So this is not proportional. So one is proportional, one is not. It's Lucas that is proportional, so that is the one you should select.